Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to all in the session of sounds. Sounds of consonants and vowels in English alphabet. Yes. In this video, we will learn the sound of letter D. So, the letter this we call D. Yes, D. The sound of this letter is D. D. Clear? So let's practice with some word with me. Okay? So let's start. Dad. Dash. Yes. Dash. Date. Dear. Damage. Dear. Dead. Debt. Decide. Desk. Did. Diary. Dial. Dive. Dice. Dot. Doll. Do. Does. Door. Dull. Dude. Dusk. Dual. Duster. So dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned something new. So if you want to get perfection on the sound of letter D, do practice with this video. Thank you all. Bye bye. See you again with next letter.